Hello and welcome to the living world. See, this world is divided into two things. One is living things and another is non-living things. Now tell me, what is the difference between me and this duster? I can grow, but this duster cannot grow. I can breathe, but duster cannot breathe. So these are the characteristics of living things and non-living things. On this board, I have drawn a mind map of characteristics of living things. This is called as mind map. Characteristics of living things. First characteristic is growth, which is very important. And for growth, we need food. Then respiration is another characteristic of living things. Then excretion, then responsiveness to stimuli and movement, reproduction, lifespan and cellular structure. These are the characteristics of living things. Now we will see every characteristic in detail.
The living world. Let us see the picture and do one activity. List out the living and non-living things from this picture. Now you will come to know that there are some living things and non-living things. Let us see the characteristics of living things. Here are characteristics of living things: growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, reproduction, lifespan, and cellular structure. Let us learn the first characteristic, growth. For better understanding, let us see this picture. What do you see in this picture? Here, in the first picture, you will see animals, plants, bird, and human being. The first picture shows the height, weight, and strength. Now, next picture, you will see the same living things in their increased height, weight, and strength. See the third picture and see the fourth. See the third picture and see the fourth. You will see all these pictures are living things increasing in their height, weight, and strength. In this way, animals grow into adults in certain period. Generally, humans require 18 to 21 years for the growth. Plants grows as long as they live. The growth of living things occur within the body. That is, growth occurs in all parts of the body. But for this growth, plants and animals needs food. Now look at this picture. Do you know what is the food of the plants? Here, this picture, a plant is absorbing the sunlight. The roots are absorbing the water. Leaves are absorbing the carbon dioxide from the surrounding. From the sunlight, the leaves are also absorbing the chlorophyll, and see here, what is the plant giving out? Yes, you will see that oxygen is given out. From this, we can learn that plants absorbs water, sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide from the nature and it gives out oxygen. This process is called as photosynthesis. The leaves of the plants appears green due to the presence of chlorophyll. But animals do not have chlorophyll. They don't produce their own food. Some animals, such as goats, horses, eat grass. Wild animals take their food by hunting, that is, tiger or lion. So finally, taking food that results in growth is an important characteristic of living things. Now, we will discuss about respiration. You know that living things need oxygen to live. Inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide formed in the body due to the use of oxygen is called as respiration. You will see in this picture human being respire by nose. Fishes and snakes have specific organs for respiration. But you will see in this picture that plants respire by means of microscopic pores on their stems and leaves. Respiration is the important characteristic of living things. Our next topic is excretion. We have previously seen that food is necessary for growth. What do you think? The body uses all the food for growth? No, not at all. The body uses some part of the food for the growth and unused part which are formed during many processes in the body of animal is called the waste substance. These are called excreta, and waste substance is thrown out of body. This process is called excretion. Animals have specific organs for excretion. On the other hand, plants also excrete. See this picture. The tree is shedding the leaves in specific season. Waste substance that are stored in the leaves shed along with the leaves. Let us do an experiment. Take a transparent plastic bag. Tie it over the leaf of a plant. Observe it up to 6 or 7 hours. You will see droplets of water inside the bag. It means that plants excrete water in the form of vapor. Excretion is the characteristic of living things.